Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about creating a chart in Google Sheets. So first thing we need to have, of course, is some data, and here's my spreadsheet, and I want all of this data on my chart, so I'm going to highlight all of it, and then I'm going to go up to this little tiny box that looks like it could be a bar graph, and I'm going to click on it, and it's actually going to go ahead and make a chart for me. It's going to suggest a type of chart, and you'll notice that it is a bar graph, and it is broken down by each subject area and the week. The week are all the different colors. I can actually go into this chart and customize it. I can customize the colors, I can customize the titles, I can customize pretty much everything. Right here I've aggregated the first column, and all it did was add all of these scores together, and that may not work for me, so I'm going to click off of that. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of other areas that you can actually customize as well. You're going to notice that everything's kind of broken down for me, and it's even kind of like labeled. As I hover over it, it's going to give me a specific label. So after I set it up, I can go in here, and like I said, I can customize. I can make it a 3D chart if I wish. I can change the sections, I can change the legend, I can change just about any part of this chart that I would like. It also allows me to choose different types of charts. It doesn't just have to be a bar graph. It could be a pie graph, whatever I would like. But what I also want you to see is that this data is in real time. So if I move it out of the way a little bit, and I go right in here, instead of the 78, I'm going to change it to a 99, and look at that. The chart moved automatically, which means that this chart is live. If I put this chart on a web page, it's live, and it will change as the data changes on the spreadsheet. That's what makes it so cool. Thanks for watching.